Alright, this is the easiest way to track anything in Davinci Resolve. Take your video clip and add a tracker node. Then take this box and put it whichever object you want to track. Put the object you want to track in this box, and if the tracker lost the object, then it will look inside this dotted box. After you do that, then hit track forward. It will track your object and let it do its thing, and after it's complete, hit OK. Select the tracker, go to operation and select the operation mode to match move. Then take your image whichever you want to be tracked and connect with the green input, and then add a transform node, resize it and place it wherever you want it to be. Then if you play, your object will be tracked to your object. You can basically track anything. Delete it and add a text node and connect with the transform node. Increase the size and then again reposition it, and it will be tracked to your object. If you like this video, then check out this video where I shared how can you motion track anything.